Or master bedroom, we can put just put like scratches or dents noted. So it's about 4:30. We're about, say, 25 minutes away from Sacramento, and almost there. I'm gonna be meeting up with my cousin, doing a key exchange for him and his family. So pretty excited about that.
Your needs as a buyer and get you the best home possible for the best price possible.
Got it. Annie, so from what it sounds like is you have a large home, your kids have moved out, and you might need a new cleaner. Is that right?
Yeah.
That way, I mean, even in Clubhouse, all you hear is the voice, and you have to be concise.
Right.
And we're value when you speak. Otherwise, people know when that person speaks, fucking turn it off and use the restroom.
Right.
Usually, back in the day, I would eat anything for lunch because I'm always out and about, and I would eat like a burger or something that's processed / like meat based. And I notice every single time I eat meat, or every single time I don't eat meat, I don't have that, what we call, food coma. Like, I don't have food coma when I don't eat a burger for lunch. And when I eat a burger for lunch, I have to go home and take a nap. Like back in the day when I always went home and take a nap, and I never told my assistant. But that's why I've come to figure it's because of eating processed / meat. So I definitely should commit to drinking, I think, wherever I'm gonna get my carton of water. I think it's like 20 something ounces. I know that's not enough, but that's a start. Like I need to drink, actually I'm gonna drink that whole thing before 12.
I see you take a big swig right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. This relates back to our previous conversation. You have a 10% budget for lead gen and a 15% budget for staffing. You're gonna be a little over budget as you're trying to grow your business. So just keep in mind, what are you going to spend that 10% on, and be consistent throughout the year. Like plan it out, 2021, 10%, what does that 10% look like? And I'm gonna commit to it up front. Now I realize it's hard to be consistent in business, especially in our area. Price points are higher, transaction count is lower, versus let's say Middle California or Arizona, where it's all about transaction count. There's more consistency in our business. So I think it's gonna be a little more nerve-wracking to plan for it, but I think you can do it because I've been able to do it, and other agents that have grown their businesses have done it too. It's just that you have to hold your money accountable.
Completed file to the agent. But only 1 out of 2 signatures have come through so far, so I don't know what she's doing. Yo, completed. Buyers have signed off on the counteroffer. We are officially in contract.
We're like tripping out right now.
That your homeowners or what?
Yeah, like I mean, we're moving from the San Francisco to the burbs, and we're gonna literally, I think escrow will close a week before my due date.
Yeah, once the deposit goes in, and then we just start. You know, there's going to be a lot of paperwork coming up. Of course, I'm going to be here to guide you guys and, you know, be your quarterback and make sure everything's getting done on time. And I'll work with Assad, and, you know, we'll just, you know, tag team this thing and stick to the 25 days. I think Assad mentioned that he can actually do potentially sooner. We didn't want to put on the contract in case there was any hiccups, but he did mention that right now he's closing between the 21 to 23 day time frame. I'm gonna push as hard as we can. Tomorrow is considered day 1 of the 25 days, and on your end, focus on the deposit, and then I'll work on my end for everything else, and we'll keep pushing, and I'll push Assad to go as quickly as we can.
Awesome.
Congrats! Thank you so much for trusting me and allowing me to help you guys. I know you guys have a lot of options, and you guys could have went anyway, but hopefully you guys enjoyed working with me, and it was it was a process that we can hopefully duplicate down the line.
For sure, yeah.